Welcome to Animal Kingdom. Amazing fun fact about grizzly bear. Number 1. Only about 1,500 grizzlies are left in the lower 48 states of the U.S. Of these, about 800 live in Montana. About 600 more live in Wyoming, in the Yellowstone-Teton area. There are an estimated 70 to 100 grizzly bears living in northern and eastern Idaho. Its original range included much of the Great Plains and the southwestern states, but it has been extirpated in most of those areas. Grizzly bears use rub trees. These are trees where they scratch their backs, leaving scent and hair. Biologists can use these trees to collect DNA from many bears living in the area. Number 2. Grizzly bears are normally solitary animals. However, they are not very territorial and they may be seen feeding together where food is abundant, such as at salmon streams and whitebark pine sites. Females will rear their cubs for 2 to 3 years. When a female grizzly bear leaves her mother, they often set up their home range quite close to their mother's home range. The grizzly bear currently has legal protection in Mexico, European countries, some areas of Canada and in the United States. However, it is expected that repopulating its former range will be a slow process, due to a variety of reasons. Number 3. In preparation for winter, bears can gain approximately 180 kilograms during a period of hyperphagia, before going into hibernation. The bear often waits for a substantial snowstorm before it enters its den. Such behavior lessens the chances predators will find the den. The dens are typically at elevations above 1,800 meters on north-facing slopes. There is some debate amongst professionals as to whether grizzly bears technically hibernate. Much of this debate revolves around body temperature and the ability of the bears to move around during hibernation on occasion. Number 4. Grizzly bears can partially recycle their body wastes during this period. Although inland or Rocky Mountain grizzlies spend nearly half of their life in dens, coastal grizzlies with better access to food sources spend less time in dens. In some areas where food is very plentiful year-round, grizzly bears skip hibernation altogether. Mother bears rear cubs for 2 to 3 years. Males do not help raise the cubs. In fact, males can be a danger to the cubs, so females often avoid male grizzly bears while rearing their cubs. Number 5. Grizzly bears are one of the slowest reproducing land mammals. Females do not typically reproduce until they are 4 or 5 years old. Grizzly bears mate between May and July, but the female's body delays implantation of their eggs in the uterus until October or November. If the female has not gained enough fat over the summer to survive and raise cubs, implantation may not occur. A grizzly's ability to garner enough quality calories through the summer is not just crucial for her survival, but also for her reproductive ability. Click like and don't forget to subscribe.